Number 1 reason why you need a grounding rod. Nowadays there is no one in this world who is not using electrical equipment. We all have and use electrical and electronic equipment in one way or the other. But these expensive devices often fail due to lack of earthing and lightning protection. Grounding system, lightning arrestor, and SPD, surge protection device, are the three pillars that actually protect against surge and transient voltage. We will discuss today why it is most important to have a grounding system and install a grounding rod. When lightning strikes an object, it is looking for the path of least resistance, or more specifically, the path of least impedance. A grounding system, which is made up of a grounding rod and wires, provides a low impedance path to the ground. This low impedance path is installed to encourage the lightning to travel through it instead of through your expensive electronic equipment. Benefits. Grounding rods provide high fault current capacity for all industries such as towers, substations and other distribution applications. They can be used for both overhead and underground networks to achieve an optimum earthing interface. Each rod is a critical element of the electrical system because of their prime responsibility to give electrical surges a safe and low impedance path to the ground in order to mitigate damages. Prevent high voltage from causing electrical fires and uncontrolled destruction. Prevent damages to the building and surrounding property caused by electric currents. Safeguard electronic devices and machinery from voltage spikes. Protect human life and minimize injuries. Convenient to install where the subsoil condition is free from rock and boulders. The grounding rod or group of chem rods can be surrounded or backfilled using a low resistance material. Enhanced grounding may be necessary if the location is severe, such as a mountaintop, or where there is extensive bedrock, or where the soil has high resistivity, such as well-drained gravel, or in a building containing a lot of expensive electronic equipment such as a telephone central office or data center. Code mandates may be exceeded, and even an existing installation can be expanded by adding more grounding electrodes. Chem rod by LEC. These grounding rods are made using low-carbon steel with molecularly bonded 99.9% pure electrolytic copper and offer an advantage over solid copper products because of their high tensile strength. Thus, they will not bend or slip when being deeply driven into the ground with a hammer, without needing to dig a large trench. They are also significantly more cost-effective while still providing high corrosion resistance and low electrical resistance. Should you require additional support and specification guidance on selecting the most appropriate grounding rod, you may email us. Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@legglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828.